Good morning. Kindly mark your attendance, please. Yes. In today's lesson, we are going to cover our last topic for active to passive voice for the perfect tenses. Let me think. Yes. After this, we will do perfect continuous. Okay? Um, Future perfect tense from active to passive voice. First off, I'll let you know what are the three reasons why we use the present perfect. Number one, it is used to express. Number one, it is used to express an action which will have finished or completed before a specific time in the future. For example, by 5 o'clock, I will have finished my work. Then, number two, it is used to express an action which will have finished or completed before another action in the future. For example, she will have cooked dinner by the time we arrive. And then number three, it is used to express an action which began before and will continue up until another action in the future. By next week, we will have been married for 20 years. Okay? These are things that we have done previously over and over again. Just the new thing is how we will convert from active voice to the passive voice. There? Okay. Moving over. Chalo. This is what I was talking about yesterday. The use of pronoun in the active voice and the use of pronoun once you change the active to passive. Oh, ये क्या लिखा है मैंने? Clear? Oh यार, इरेजर किधर है? ये रहा, 1 मिनट. इरेजर चाहिए ना भाई. Okay. इरेजर से जान कैसे छुटती है? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. And this is going to be your pronoun in its passive form. So I will change into me, we will change into us, they will change into them, he into him, she into her, you into you, it into it. These two remain as it is, and somebody's name will also remain as it is. I hope you guys do not have questions right now. Manu is a name, someone's name. Oh, okay. Please, अच्छा ठीक हो गया. Now, in future perfect, the helping verbs or the auxiliaries that you use are and um, will have and shall have. Now, where do we use shall? It is with I formally that we use shall. Okay, for all others you will use will. For I and we you can use both shall and will. There's no particular you know, rule. The thing is, you use shall to show to be a bit more formal. Okay? Shall is more formal, will is a little informal. Okay? um, just to let you know where we use shall. So you do not use shall with they, he, she, you, it, and anybody's name. Okay? You use shall with I and we only. So if you keep your voice low, bete. Moving over, we come to how we change the future. Number one, the formation. Number two, how we change it from active to passive. Now, as you can see, you have the subject. Your first helping verb is will. Your second helping verb is have. Then you have verb in its third form, and finally the object. As I've told you earlier, crisscross, applesauce, Sophia, I have a class going on, beta. Can you please keep your voice low? The object replaces the subject and the subject replaces the object. Crisscross, applesauce. In the passive voice, you have the subject, will, have, the addition is of the helping verb been, V3, then you have by, and that's when you place your object, which is the performer of the action, doer, performer of the action. Take it. Let's have a look at an example. By the time I'm 30 years old, I will have traveled to Europe. To understand what future perfect is like, this is our current time. Here we are. Sometimes in future, I will travel to Europe. And further on in the future, that is when I will be 30 years old, I already will have traveled to Europe. So this is my plan to do something before I turn this year old. Okay? An action that happens before another action, but both these actions are going to take place in the future. In the negative, I can change this one into, I forgot. We didn't change this into passive. By the time I'm 30 years old, Europe will have been traveled to by me. Sounds very unconventional, but that's how it is. In the negative, you have subject plus, oh, let me change the color. You have subject, then you have will, and along with will, you add not, will not. The contracted form is won't, and if you're using shall, that is with I and we, when you use shall, can you please get off the bed? And you add not to it, the contracted version becomes shan't. Okay? So subject plus will not, which can be contracted into won't, have, V3 and object. This is your active form. And in the passive, you have subject plus will not or won't, have, been, V3 and by and object, which is now your passive form. Sophia, will you took one already. Sophia, leave everything. I'm getting super angry now. She's giving me such a tough time this morning. In the questions, as you can see, the subject was coming after, will was coming after the subject. Now it has jumped before subject, just like in all the other ones. Had, has, have jumped before the subject, and they were placed over here to make questions. Will, subject, have plus V3 plus object and question mark in the active form. Will plus subject, have been plus V3 by object in the passive form. We will now have a look at some statements to show how it is changed. Future perfect tense. Auxiliary verbs used in the passive voice are will, have, been. We're talking about passive only. Okay? In active voice, you have he will have received the letter. He is the subject. Will have is your auxiliary. Received is your verb in the third form. Letter is the object. Now, object becomes the subject. Will have been received by him. See, he changes into him. He will not have received the letter. The letter will not have been received by him. Will he have received the letter? Will the letter have been received by him? Any confusions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Good job, good job. Now I have a few statements prepared over here for you to work out over here for me. I will call out your names to check if you have understood the idea. Arshia, by the way, your notebook is still with me, mera bacha. How will you collect it? Arshia? Arshia? Beta, I have your notebook. What do I do with it? You stuck on the second slide for some reason. Ramesh, in the next lesson, I am planning to tell you guys about all the tenses which can be and cannot be changed. Okay? There is future continuous, which cannot be changed, and there are a few perfect continuous that cannot be changed either. Okay? I will definitely, I have planned it in my lesson plan for the things that you have to for the things that I'm still to do with you. Okay? Arshia, I haven't received an answer from you. I'll text you in later.
Ma'am, I said I will buy a new notebook.
No, don't buy a new notebook. Bete, if it is easy, can you come and collect from me? I can send you my address and you can come and collect from my home. DHA2.
Okay, ma'am.
किसी दिन गीगा
DHA2.
पॉल का चक्कर लगे तो please come and collect your notebook from me, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलें. Acha, with that done, Arshia, can you please change the first one from active to passive? I shall have done my duty.
My duty have been done by me.
No. Can anyone else give it a try?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
My duty shall have been done by me.
Very good. Oh wait, can I type on it?
Ma'am,
G.
ma'am, I cannot understand the slide that you played before, the negative one.
This one? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Over here, bache, I am showing you how future perfect is used basically. Okay? This is the current time. Oh, wait. This is the current time. Okay? ये हम अभी इधर हैं. Can I use Urdu if you don't mind?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure.
Make you guys understand
Yes,
कि ये concept यहाँ पे क्या है. ये हमारा current time है, ठीक है? अगर कहीं पे लिखा जा सकता है तो प्लीज मैं बता रही हूँ. ये सिर्फ आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए मैं उर्दू यूज कर रही हूँ. प्लीज कोई माइंड ना करे, ठीक है? ये हमारा करंट टाइम है. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट यूज होता है किसी ऐसे काम के लिए जो किसी दूसरे काम से पहले किया जाए इन द फ्यूचर. ठीक है? अब दिस इज योर एक्शन 1, ठीक है? एंड दिस इज योर एक्शन 2. मैं कहां पे यूज करूंगी फ्यूचर परफेक्ट? सोफिया, मैं क्लास ले रही हूं बेटे. मैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट यूज करूंगी एक्शन 1 में। क्यों? क्योंकि एक्शन 1 हो रहा है एक्शन 2 से पहले, बिफोर हो रहा है ना ये। We use future perfect in the action which takes place before the second action. ठीक है? This is your first action and this is your second action. मैं 30 years की बाद में होंगी फ्यूचर में। मैं लेट्स सपोज कि मैं अभी 18 years की हूं, मैंने 30 years का होना है फ्यूचर में, लेकिन मेरा प्लान है कि 30 years का होने से पहले पहले मैं यूरोप में ट्रैवल करूंगी फ्यूचर में। ठीक है? सो आई विल ट्रैवल टू यूरोप इन द फ्यूचर एंड दिस इज द, ये मैं आपको टाइम बता रही हूं कि मैं फ्यूचर में ट्रैवल करूंगी, लेकिन कब करूंगी? 30 years का होने से पहले करूंगी। तो इस सेंस में जब मैं स्टेटमेंट लिखूंगी तो मैं लिखूंगी बाय द टाइम आई एम 30 years old, कि जब मैं 30 years की होंगी उससे पहले मैं क्या करूंगी? आई विल हैव ट्रेवल्ड टू यूरोप। मैं यूरोप को ट्रेवल कर चुकी होंगी। नाउ डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
यस मैम, लेकिन जो एक्शन 2 है वो पहले आना चाहिए ना?
ना ना, एक्शन 2, हाँ तो ये एक्शन 2 पहले आ रहा है ना, ये एक्शन 2 है, ये एक्शन 2 है। ठीक है? ये एक्शन 1 है, ये एक्शन 1 है। ये मेरा करंट टाइम है, ये मैं अभी 18 years की हूं, यहां पे मैंने 30 years का हो जाना है। 30 years का होने से पहले पहले 18 और 30 के दरमियान में किसी भी एज में, लेट्स से मैं 22 की एज पे, मैं 22 की होंगी जब मैं ये काम कर रही हूं, तो 22 वाला काम एक्शन यहां पर आएगा ना। ठीक है? जो फर्स्ट एक्शन है वो लेगा फ्यूचर परफेक्ट को, और जो सेकंड एक्शन है वो लेगा उसको सिंपल फ्यूचर को। जी बेटे।
मैम बाय द टाइम आई एम 30 years, ये नहीं होगा आई विल हैव बीन ट्रेवल टू द यूरोप।
क्या चाहिए बेटे? दस मिनट दे दो मुझे। थैंक यू। सॉरी, व्हाट वर यू सेइंग अगेन?
मैम मैं कह रही थी कि ये बाय द टाइम आई एम 30 years, ये नहीं होगा आई विल हैव बीन ट्रेवल टू द यूरोप।
नो नो नो, आई विल हैव बीन ट्रेवल्ड नहीं, यूरोप विल हैव बीन ट्रेवल्ड टू बाय मी, वो फिर पैसिव में हो जाएगा। ये एक्टिव वॉइस में यहां पर दिया हुआ है। ठीक है? ये एक्टिव है। क्लियर? यूरोप will have been traveled to by me. एग्जाम्पल गलत लिया मैंने, मेरा ख्याल है। चलें।
यस मैम, मुझे भी जरा कंफ्यूजन हो रही है।
चलें। ओके, लेट्स ट्राई दिस वन। हाँ जी, हु कैन आंसर दिस वन?
मैम ये मैं कर चुकी हूँ।
ओहो, खैर जाओ यार, ये हटती कैसे हैं चीजें यहाँ से? ओ भाई, ये हट क्यों नहीं रहा? ये हटा है ना, चलो अच्छा जी। Allahu Akbar, why are things stuck? Okay. My duty shall have been done by me. Next. The students will have answered the question. Arfa Adil.
Ma'am, can I do it?
Can who? Okay, Emmer. Emmer. Okay, Zainab.
Ma'am, it will be the question will have been answered by the student.
Very good. The question will have been answered by the students. Yes, next one, Ariba Chaudhary. We will have received the letter by now.
The letter will have been received by him by now.
Received by him by now. Very good. Next, Hashim. She will have dressed her hair.
Ma'am, her hair will have been dressed by her.
Very good. Hamza Ismail. This one, I shall have made a speech.
A speech shall have been made by me. Shall.
Oh, shall have been made by me. Very good. Next one. कहाँ गया भाई? ओहो. Oops, a daisy. Okay. Hassan Saqib. I shall have completed my work by 7 p.m.
My work shall have been completed by me at 7 o'clock. At 7 p.m.
Completed by me by 7
p.m.
Now, if you notice, what we have done over here is that ये जो आपके पास final prepositional phrase है ना, ये आप हमेशा end पे लेकर आएंगे, ठीक है? ये आप दरमियान में नहीं डालेंगे. आप पहले अपना subject, object और verb को देखेंगे. इनको आपस में क्रॉस करके object, subject, verb और फिर end पे you're going to bring in your prepositional phrase. ठीक है?
मैम हम शुरू पे ही नहीं रख सकते?
नहीं, वो confusing ज्यादा हो जाता है, ठीक है? ज्यादा appropriate यही होता है कि आप अपना जो prepositional phrase है उसको end के ऊपर ही रखें, ठीक है? ला सकते हैं, गलत नहीं है वो भी लाना, लेकिन बेहतर यही होता है कि उसको end पे ही रखें to avoid any kind of confusion. चलें, next one. किससे पूछें? अबू बकर अजमल से पूछते हैं भाई. This one. We will have made a table.
A table will have been made by us.
Very good. A table will have been made by us. We changes into us. Muhammad Salman. He will have learnt a lesson. Salman. Salman.
उसने टाइप कर लिया.
टाइप में मैं चैट बॉक्स नहीं देख रही. I'm sorry, मैं चैट बॉक्स नहीं देख रही. Abdullah Khurram, can you please answer?
Yes, ma'am. A lesson will have been learnt by us, by him.
A lesson will have been learnt by him. Very good. And we have the last one. Hanya, you will have taken this box.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please, because I can't hear Hania.
This box will have been taken by me. By you.
Taken by you. Taken by you. Very good. You remains you. That was the
Same.
reason why I wanted to share the same slide with you yesterday as well. Okay. With that, we come to the end of our lesson. I hope you have understood the text well. I will be sharing, inshallah, today. I don't have to go anywhere. Just give me an ample time to convert the videos and give breakfast to my children. After which I will be posting your lessons maximum by 11 or 11:30. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, give me time maximum by 11 or 11:30, after which I will make sure by 11:30 your lessons are posted. Thank you very much. I'll be again, just like yesterday, I'll be giving you 10 statements to convert from active to passive. Okay? Thank you ever so much. If you have not marked your attendance, kindly mark it so before you leave, 2 minutes before I end the session. Any questions? I'm open to
No,
questions now.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's so easy.
Okay, bless you girls. Bless you girls and bless you all my
मैम
boys.
उसको ब्रेकफास्ट पहले करा दे
क्या करवा दूं?
मैम उसको ब्रेकफास्ट करा दे पहले
हाँ, वो ये दोनों तंग कर रहे हैं और ये तो मैडम तो फल्ला बहुत ही मुझे तंग करती हैं.
भूखे बैठे हुए मैम बेचारे कह रहे मम्मा पता नहीं क्या लैपटॉप के ऊपर गेम में खेल रही है.
हाँ, वैसे ही जालिम होती है भाई, मैं तो वैसे ही जालिम मशहूर हूँ. चलें, I am now